No, don't sneeze. Just ew.
Sorry, I can't help it.
True, but you shouldn't sneeze into the air. That spreads germs.
Right, but I don't want to sneeze into my hands.
Ew. Of course not. If you sneeze into your hands, germs will spread when you touch things.
Right, so what should I do?
Sneeze into a tissue, of course.
But what if I don't have a tissue?
Then sneeze into your arm.
Sneeze into my arm? Ew, that's disgusting.
Do you have a better idea?
Yeah, I'll sneeze into your arm.